Are you thinking about how to become a personal trainer? In this video, we'll show you the entire process of what qualifications you need, how long it can take, and what your career options are once you qualify. To start with, you don't need a degree to become a personal trainer. Instead, you typically complete two industry-recognized qualifications: a Level 2 Gym Instructor qualification, followed by a Level 3 Personal Trainer qualification. Level 2 gives you the foundations, while Level 3 teaches you how to assess clients, create personalized training programs, and deliver one-to-one personal training sessions. Many training providers combine both qualifications into a personal training diploma, allowing you to complete them together. You'll also have different ways to study. Many training providers offer full-time, part-time, and online courses, so you can choose the option that best fits around your lifestyle. Throughout the course, you'll complete a mix of theory, coursework, and practical assessments, giving you the opportunity to apply what you've learned before qualifying. One of the most common questions is, how long does it take to actually become a personal trainer? The honest answer? It all depends. Full-time learners could qualify in a matter of weeks. While studying around work or family, you may find it takes a little bit longer. The key is choosing a course that fits around your lifestyle. Once you're qualified, there are plenty of career options. You can work in a commercial gym, become self-employed, offer online coaching, or build your own personal training business. There isn't one right path. It all depends on the career that you want to create. You also don't need years of experience before getting started. Everyone starts somewhere. The qualification gives you the knowledge and practical skills that you'll need, and your confidence grows as you work with real clients. If you're passionate about fitness and enjoy helping people, becoming a personal trainer can be a really rewarding career. Hopefully, this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to become a personal trainer. If you want to know more about what personal training courses involve or how much they cost, download our free prospectus using the link below.